Hey guys, good afternoon, and sorry for the Of course, it's gonna be a long day, but of course it's gonna be this way. It's gonna be pretty simple and awesome. It's so bright outside, but not really bright. It's just raining, but it's bright. Ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll totally open the garage right now. And the side door is locked. Oh, I don't know. Is it open the garage? No. As you can see, I'm gonna go in the rain as right now. Okay. Of course, there's a little brightness, but there you go. Just use my lens hood. You know, it was actually pretty nice. Oh man, just to get it over with, you guys. Just to get it over with. You know, do the garbage because it's Wednesday, and you know, the rainy day vlog again. Like the rainy day vlog again. Don't you guys think that? And there's a spider right over there. Oh. Lens hood is all clean. I was gonna do that because I was waiting for you. Oh, so I was waiting for you. Blah.
I don't know how. Really.
Not the right way, but it still does. Still just you gotta. Oh, Daddy will do it later.
No, don't let your daddy do it. Make sure, make it right.
Ready? Oh boy, it's raining again. Like as I said, it's rainy day. See how it'll look. I mean, though my videos are not that great, but it'll do. Let's go on this side because we're in a little shade here. But as I said, rainy day vlog, rainy day. Title is whatever I want to do. Titling it the best way as possible. Of course. Another day, another video, another time. Rain. This is gonna be the rain vlog. Sooner or later, the flowers will be blooming and everything else, and yeah. Then again, it's gonna be awesome. So, wearing a short sleeve shirt is not good, but unless I have when I'm doing my vlogs, I have the wind muff up there, the deck hat. You said we drive through 8? Drive through. We want to go drive through, eat and drive and drive and drive. Where? Well, I'm gonna. Oh well. There's my thing. What?
Me?
Me and you and me and you.